The Mavalzy Rectangle Indoor Tabletop Fire Pit effortlessly combines style, functionality, and safety, making it a fantastic addition to any home or outdoor space. This tabletop fire pit serves not only as a source of warmth, but also as an elegant tabletop decor, perfect for creating a cozy ambience in your living room. Whether you're snuggling up with a good book or movie on a chilly night, this indoor tabletop fire pit is a modern and stylish alternative to traditional fireplaces, enhancing your home decor. The Mavalzy Rectangle Tabletop Fire Pit offers a long-burning, smokeless experience, making it a healthy and safe way to cook treats like s'mores or marshmallows, or even for fondue. It seamlessly transitions from indoor use in your living room to an outdoor garden fireplace on your patio or balcony. Whether it's a romantic evening indoors or a summer barbecue outdoors, this tabletop fireplace has you covered. Safety is a top priority with this fire pit. Equipped with a stainless steel burn cup to prevent ethanol fuel leakages and ensure rapid cooling of the burn chamber, it provides a shorter time between refueling. The flat stainless steel extinguisher tool, included in the box, allows for safe and quick extinguishing of the fire, adding an extra layer of security to your experience. The portable and practical design of the Mavalzy tabletop fireplace makes it easy to carry and store, allowing you to take the cozy atmosphere with you wherever you go. Using the fire pit is a breeze. Simply add 70%, 91%, or higher isopropyl alcohol as fuel and light it up when you're ready. The concrete tabletop with a natural finish adds a touch of elegance to your space, making it perfect for gatherings with friends and family. As a bonus, the beautiful natural concrete finish makes this indoor fire pit an excellent choice for gift giving. Whether for family, friends, or neighbors, it serves as a perfect housewarming gift that enriches their home, patio, or party with a cozy and stylish real fire ambience. In summary, the Mavalzy Rectangle Indoor Tabletop Fire Pit is a versatile, safe, and elegant choice for those looking to elevate their indoor or outdoor gatherings.